Okay, Raymond, what do we have here, buddy?
We have a pepper.
Let me see.
It's like greasy gray pepper.
Oh, yeah.
And we have a flower over there.
Where's the flower?
It's right there and it's
Oh,
white.
yep, that looks like another pepper.
Yeah.
Let's see, what else do we have?
Eggplant. And what's this one?
Eggplant, where? Where's it? Is it this one?
Yep.
That's eggplant, yeah.
And this is...
I think this one is another pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's called a pepper.
Yeah.
Like a green pepper. Like this road here, like a red, like a green pepper. Okay, but we have to grow red ones.
Okay. Okay, hey kiddo, what else do we have growing here, buddy?
Nothing else but this can grow.
Yeah, we have some vegetables growing over here.
Yeah.
Looks like we have some lettuce.
And got lettuce. And we got,
Yeah.
And we got.
We have some more right here. I think it's romaine lettuce. And we got from
Romaine
the grocery
lettuce.
store and just planted the bottom of it after we ate it.
And after this is a
Some
salad.
green onions.
This is salad.
Yep, that's salad. Yeah, and then what's this plant right here in the cage, buddy? Right here. What's plant is that with the yellow flowers?
Those are chameleons, I think.
Tomato.
Tomatoes.
Plant.
So those are tomatoes, but I saw a pepper right here.
You got a pepper right here. Yeah, so I think that is all we have in this little garden, right, Raymond?
Yeah, but there's more left.
What? What's left? Well, that's the pepper. We already showed that pepper.
That was the great peppery ever.
That was great.
Yeah.
All right, Raymond, can you say goodbye? Look at me. Can you say goodbye to everybody?
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
What? You have
Like-
more to say?
Yeah.
I saw you looking at something behind me. What were you looking at? Were you looking at the peaches right here? Right here?
Yeah. I have more to go. I have more flowers to go.
Okay.
Peaches.
All right. Okay, Raymond, can you say goodbye to everybody?
No, it's not time to go.
It is.
No,
It's time to go. Raymond, say goodbye. Look at me and say goodbye. Say goodbye.
No.